A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to African Beyond Television Network. We're going to take a look on what's happening in the nation Zimbabwe. Team Chiwenga, or the sympathizers of Vice President Chiwenga, are claiming that another ally from his camp was eliminated in an accident. And Comrade Nefa Maswera says Zimbabwe National Army accident. Ndinogara kutaura pano asi hamuteereri. Kana comrade vachitaura batai mazwi. 15 to 25 period yangozopotsa hayo ne3 days chete. Zvekuti ndiri kunze kwenyika hazvina zvazvinoreva mazvinzwa. So this is what is happening, and he had claimed kuti between the 15th to the 25th panomwe musoja ari kufanira kuruma dombo, and it has happened, and this is the lady right there. She passed away in an accident. So according to this team, they are throwing spanners onto the other faction vachiti aiwa uyo atsvairwa because of some issues. Everybody who is sympathetic to the general is supposed to bite the dust. The major question is, if that is true, do the generals have enough intelligence? If they have enough intelligence, are they working on that intelligence? So he says anga ari team yageneral uyu, in case anyone is confused, pari kufiwa kuita murakatira kumilitary uko over the next 24 months. Ngavarambe vakati tuzu vachipera, vanhu vepi vanoita fanika vakarevererwa. Okay, so it seems as if this man is saying kana vakasaacta vanongopera zvakadaro. And if that is true, if what Comrade Neva Maswera is saying is true, this then makes us question, why is general not acting vanhu vavo vachipera? Ivo vacho vari kupera, why are they not acting on their own kutonyatsoona kuti guys, isisu tatine vanhu vedu, tatine nhamba yedu yakadai 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 yakadai, but tapera. Why can't they put a full stop? Because sometimes munopedzisira makuita tit for tatica. Imukuona kuti vanhu vedu vari kupera. You have the assets, you have the intelligence, you have all the tools you need to retaliate. Why are you not finishing veside irororo? Ngatiti pamwe pamutemo hamuna zvamungakwanisa kuita. Why are you not retaliating kuside iroro riri kupedzai? Motanga kuvatsvairawo. Why can't you go after ivo vanhu vacho vatangewo kuona kuti aiwa isusu tikaita zvekutamba tinoperawo? That is one of the most important questions which I have. So when you look at these things, then it then gives us a difficult scenario to understand what is really happening. And there is news that so many officers are involved in accidents, in unfortunate incidents, deaths. The major question is kusvika rini? And the most important question is, for how long is the military going to be involved in politics in Zimbabwe? Vachiuraya ana kudaro kana kuti vachipedzana kudaro. In my own view, I thought kuti, or I think it was very, very important for them to distance themselves from politics, do the right thing, just support Zimbabweans as they are. Every political party, let it do whatever it is doing. Don't stand in solidarity with any political party. Support your country, not politicians or political parties. Support the constitution, support the outcomes of the constitution. That is what the military should be doing. Mutumwa says, ndi general here, handizivi zvinoreva zvivi zvitatu izvo. And it's no longer about generals only, but any rank and file active in sympathizing with generals. So I think it has been answered for those who have been asking. The revolution devouring its own children. Mofuiti gaga mere yarira kupi. So this is what is happening at this point in time, and it's very sad to see these things happening. And if these allegations are true, then at a certain point in time, I hope and believe that the military need to sit down, talk, reflect, kuti munosvika kupi. In my own view, here is my own view. I think kuti VP is somehow weak, or is weak to some extent, although he's following the procedures of dealing with the dynasty. But I feel that somehow he is weak, or he's working with a weak team. or the people who support him are weak, or he doesn't trust them 100%. So those are the only things we can say so far. And also, the major question is everyone in agreement that General takes over from Emerson Mnangagwa? That is another very important issue. So sometimes when you see some things happen, kuregwa zvichiitwa deliberately, simply because they want to send a clear message to the general himself. So one or the other, we'll see, the truth shall come out. We'll see kunodonhera tsvimbo nedove.